Be sure to check out each of the links in the description for each of the clips and or voices you're unfamiliar with, so that you can understand this reenactment better.
Yes, well, the first thing to do is as follows. First, issue a reward to the
Gesundheit.
I beg your pardon?
Well, you sneezed just before you were about to tell me what the first thing to do was.
I didn't sneeze.
Yeah, you did, Owl.
No, I didn't. You can't sneeze without knowing it.
Well, you can't know it without something having been sneezed.
As I was saying, first, issue a reward.
He's doing it again. You must be catching a cold.
I'll probably catch it too.
No, I'm not catching a cold. The word is issue, not achoo, and achoo isn't even a word. It's just a sort of sneezy sound, like a chew.
Perhaps you should lie down, Owl.
Ah.